Hi, I'm Milena, VP of Marketing at LeadDelta, and today I'm going to show you how to use and manage your LeadDelta Inbox. Now let's get started.
Once you sync all your connections, your inbox messages will appear inside our powerful inbox. Let's deep dive into the options you have available here. You can see all your messages on your left side. If you want to search for a message, you can do that by searching by the connection's name, or you can even search by keyword. And you will get that particular message available on the left. Now, what else can you do with LeadDelta Inbox? You can apply a tag to your connection. Please keep in mind that the tag option is available only if the connection is your first-degree LinkedIn connection and only if you sync the latest state of your LinkedIn connections by clicking the green button on the top right. You can choose an existing tag, or you can even create a new one. Once you apply a tag, you will be able to search or filter by that specific tag applied. Here, you also have a few other options for filtering. If you have a very important message and need to find that message easily, you can use the star option and start the conversation. Clicking on the same button again will reverse the action. You can pin the conversation, and that way, a particular conversation will always stay on the top of your inbox. Another option is to mark the conversation as unread, and then you can filter by it as well. You can delete the conversation permanently, also deleting it from your LinkedIn inbox at the same time, or you can archive your message if you don't want to delete it permanently. When you click on these three dots, you can remove the applied tags. Of course, all these actions can be performed in bulk using these options right here if you select more than one conversation. While you're inside the message and want to get more information about your connection, you can use our sidebar to get an overview of your connection's information so you don't have to switch between the screens. Also from here, you can edit notes and apply new tags. When it comes to writing a message, you also have the option of including an attachment. It can be a PDF, an image, a video, an audio file, whatever you prefer. Then you have the option of adding an emoji. Finally, you have the option to pick from one of your saved templates, or you can save a new template directly from your inbox for future use. When you want to compose a new message, you can add a single connection or start a group message if you want to set something out to the entire group. All your messages, single and group messages, will be visible on the left sidebar. Keep in mind that for group messages, you cannot apply a tag. Finally, for those of you who are using the Sales Navigator, you'll have the option of connecting your Sales Navigator inbox so you can get messages from both inboxes in one unified place.
Thank you for watching. For more information, check our website at LeadDelta.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support at support@LeadDelta.com. Thank you.